It's Kathiew time! Ginger. Roast them. Shallots. Onion. More onion. I'm cooking a big pot, so I'm going to use 3 onions. 1 big onion, 2 small onions. Pot is pretty big. Oxtails. Clean it. Alright. Salt. Right in here. Fish sauce. Remember, y'all, it's a big pot. Chicken broth. Sugar. Add this in here. Beef tendon. Beef bone. Beef bone in. Celery. Cilantro. And green onion. Cut the stems off. Smash down your cilantro stem. And green onion. Shit. So it can release the flavor. Throw it in here. Now, no, I always use the blue pack, but today the Asian store did not have the blue one, so this is what I use if there's no blue one. My second go-to. Add this in here. Water. I'm gonna add 2 to start it off because it's a pretty big pot. I'm gonna use 2. And if I need more, I just add more. And yes, along the way, after it simmers for 3-4 hours, I always add water as I go. Let this simmer for 3-4 hours. It's going to be so good. More celery for more flavor. Add more water along the way. Fried garlic. You put a lot in this bitch for flavor. The longer it's sitting there, the longer it tastes so fucking good. Beautiful, beautiful broth. This is like 2 hours in already. Patiently waiting, y'all. I added more water, so I'm gonna add a little bit more chicken broth. And that should be good right there, because the flavor is really good. Just need a little bit more chicken broth. Here's my family. These assholes bought me another bottle. Oh my God. Meanwhile, we're gonna prep the veggies. Me, green onion, my basil leaf, cilantro, lime, noodles. Cheers, y'all. A lot of carrots in here. Don't forget your carrots, y'all. Add more. Hope my do it for me. Mama G helping me in the kitchen like always. Love her. My chaser. Meatballs in. Hey, look at my friend though. She came through with her crybaby ass.